Are you struggling to figure out the best way to clean nasty polishing pads like this so they're ready for the next job without ruining them? Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to clean polishing pads the right way, quickly and easily. So first step, heat up some purified or distilled water. We want to get it nice and warm so that it helps to break down the polishing and compound residue inside your foam, microfiber, or wool pads. You might be wondering, why not just tap water? Great question, and I will demonstrate to you why that is with a water test for mineral deposits using my TDS meter here. First, I've got purified water in the bucket, and as you will see, it's reading close to 0, indicating low mineral content or soft water. If we use tap water, like I'm going to show you here, we are likely introducing heavy water, lots of minerals, into the pad. I will test it here so you can see the difference. So basically, the mineral deposits will dry into the pads, leading to potential issues during your next polishing job, like noticeable micro marring on soft arc paint finish. Not to mention, it will likely lead to premature wear and tear on your pads. So this extra step always ensures the best results when finishing the most difficult car paint. Simple things like this are often overlooked and may lead to unwanted frustration in the future. So we're going to finish warming up this water really quick. It took about 4 minutes. I sped it up for you, and just don't get it boiling or super hot to where you can't touch it. Next, plug the drain and place your pads in the sink. We'll be using a cleaner solution specifically designed for polishing pads. I'm using Meguiar 37 Polishing Pad Rejuvenator, which recommends 1 scoop per 3 to 4 gallons of water, as noted on the directions. Since I'm using just 1 gallon, I'll measure out a 1/4 scoop and add it to the sink. After that, I'll pour in 1 gallon of purified water that we heated up to mix everything together. So I accidentally got the water a tad bit too hot when making this video. I'm going to want to cool down this water so I can work in here a bit more comfortably. Alright, let's start cleaning the pads. I'll begin by squeezing and massaging the cleaner into the surface and deep into the pad. Then I'll redunk and repeat the process for each pad individually until I'm happy with the results. You should start noticing a significant improvement pretty quickly. Just keep repeating until you're satisfied. Keep in mind, depending on the polishing compound or polish you use, your pads may become permanently dyed. For example, my pads are now blue because of Optimum Hyper Polish. It's not a big deal, it doesn't affect the performance, but it is something to be aware of. I'll speed this up so you don't have to sit through the entire process. Okay, now that we have thoroughly cleaned each pad, let's wring them out and drain the sink. Now, let's rinse out the pads, removing as much of the cleaner and any remaining polish or compound residue as possible. You will simply repeat this rinse step until you notice that the water is looking nice and clear and not cloudy anymore. Once your pads are clean, use your polishing machine on the highest setting for a few seconds just to remove any excess moisture, ensuring the fastest drying time. Keep the machine low to the ground and away from anything you don't want splattered with a bunch of water. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing, and if you've made it this far, thank you for watching. If this video has helped you in any way, please like and leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. I'd be happy to respond. Thanks again for your support.